Yeah. This goes out for that special one. You know who you are. It's your boy 2 Dice. To my foreign girl. Yeah. Even though you're far away, doesn't mean I can't see you. And even though you're overseas, doesn't mean I can't be all around the world. I can show you love, I can show you love. From the US to the UK, around the world. I can show you love, I can show you love. From the US to the UK, around the world. This Indian girl is giving me spiritual visions. This must be a sign telling me I should make a decision whether I should leave or not. But I'm gonna take this plane ride. Distance don't mean nothing to me. I will travel day and night just to stay the night with you, baby, cause you're beautiful. And lately I've been feeling you, baby. I thought that you should know our conversation is outrageous and we connect. Forget the text and it's complicated. I'll see you next time I get a chance to get them tickets. I'ma visit, yup. Maybe we can kick it, spin them Benjamins and live it up. I know it sound like a fantasy, but it's possible. Can't you see what I see? If you see it, baby, then I should go. Next stop, LAX. Next stop, Bedford. Next stop, in your bed. Nah, girl, I'm just playing. See, I know I can make you laugh, but I hope that I'm not rushing, no. If I am, just let me know. But for now, I just wanna let you know. Even though you're far away, doesn't mean I can't see you. And even though you're overseas, doesn't mean I can't be all around the world. I can show you love, I can show you love. From the US to the UK, around the world. I can show you love, I can show you love. From the US to the UK, around the world. Every night I'm Skyping you, make me wanna spend the night with you. If I do, we could do anything that you like to do, cause I would do anything for you as long as you're with the business. I'll show you what you've been missing. If you was visiting me, this would be so memorable, especially at the beach. San Diego, Santa Monica, Ventura, Venice, and Malibu. That will give us a great tour. Anything to make you smile, baby girl, I'ma make sure. And we could take a Vegas trip, maybe kiss on the way to the strip. And when we arrive, you can see the Vegas lights, it's a trip. Or we can head to Hollywood, yeah, home of the movie stars. Universal Studios, limo riding, we going hard. All green palm trees introduce you to Cali life. Or we can go to New York if you ain't really the Cali type. Times Square, anywhere you wanna be, I'm there. I swear we can make it happen, girl, just tell me when. Even though you're far away, doesn't mean I can't see you. And even though